To import the module into your Canvas course, click on the sample module link, choose Save File, and download it onto your computer. Go to your dashboard and select the course shell where you want to import the module. Select Settings. Select Import Course Content. Under Content Type, choose Canvas Course Content Package. Choose Browse and locate the downloaded file, Weekly Template Export IMSCC. Select All Content and Import. Wait for Canvas to process the file, and then go to Modules and look at the loaded content.